little bit late, but we are on. The late adopter. Hi guys, how you doing? Welcome to a new Bitcoin daily video every day at 9:30 Central European time on the dollar every single day. How is chat doing? Good. I'm seeing a lot of happy people in the chat. I don't know why you're happy. We are minus 0.65% down, so technically we are crashing like no tomorrow, but you know, I think it's gonna be okay. Ron is in the chat always. Hopefully next week we will have star upwards. Maybe we'll see what's gonna happen. So plan for day is looking a little bit on the Bitcoin. What's happening in Bitcoin? Is this gonna go further down or not? Right now it's just minus 0.6%, so it's basically standing still. And then we'll chat with the chat. Anyways, let's get into charts. Make my face smaller because I'm very tired. You know, this Sunday and Saturday streams are killing me, man. I need sleep because as you know, I've been shorting. Why are people tomorrow? Why are you shorting something that's so bullish, huh? Why are you shorting? Okay, we're gonna start with the 5-minute chart because, you know, 5-minute charts. So last night there was this very nice triangle going over here on the 5-minute chart, right? It broke to the downside, rising wedge, broke downside, but this is actually finished right now. So the 5-minute chart, rising wedge, is finished for whatever it's worth. For whatever it's worth. Somebody, maybe some of you are following 5-minute charts, you know. So there you go, 5-minute chart. So we're gonna start with the daily chart over here. We're gonna remove everything and start over again. And yesterday, technically, we had a very bad candle. I mean, this red candle over here, it's not actually a good candle. It's a bad candle because we crashed through the 10 and 20 moving average right back down again. You know, again, feeling not that confident. Again, we are a little bit below certain levels that we don't want to be below. And the good thing is we hodled all the nice supports. Like this was a nice support, this over was nice support, so the supports were holding, you know. This one down here got up here got broken, you know, but you know, you take what you get, So two of the last supports, well, 2 of the 3 last supports did actually hold. So this one held in a nicely, you know, and today we are breaking down, but this candle over here is not finished yet. This is a daily candle, so you know, we can go down with the wick however you want to go down, and then just come back again, and then closing green over here, right? It really doesn't matter what's happening right now with candle because there is still 16 hours left of the day, more than half a day left for this candle to turn green, to get above to the previous levels and stuff like that. So we're gonna see what's gonna happen over there. But technically, just by looking at right now and previous candle over here, it's not actually a good thing that we actually close below the 20 and the 10 moving average. It's not actually a good thing. I was also mentioning yesterday that it's very important to get back above the 20 moving average up here. And you see this red line. We want to get back above the red line because, you know, red line is kind of showing you whether you are bullish or bearish. You know, these are bearish parts, bullish parts, and then you got bearish parts down here, right? So you want to get above the 20 moving average before you actually do anything right now. And yesterday I was actually kind of hoping that this might actually pop to the upside. Unfortunately it didn't, it fell down, but right now it fell down. It maybe it's gonna try to get back up again, but yeah, we'll see what's gonna happen. You can see that this wick over here is actually hitting the resistance right now up there, so not quite sure where this is going. So let's see this pattern over here a little bit closer, and that's the 5-minute pattern. So over here we had 2, this is a small time frame, but there was basically, I think, 2, this was a first triangle that fell down, and then we had some kind of maybe it's a triangle, maybe it's a rising wedge. It depends on how you look at it, and then we fell down. But these patterns are getting shorter, you know, short patterns, you know, at the end, you know, explodes to the big pattern in the end. Let's go back to the daily time frame and see how this is actually working out. So what we are looking for today is actually basically just grabbing. I don't know if this can actually go that much lower today. I don't think this can go that much lower today, because if we are to go lower, we would already go lower over here, but it might be that we are just getting getting rejected by the moving averages right now, getting into the moving averages and getting rejected again on the small time frames. This is a 1 hourly time frame. We want to get above these levels up here, 50 moving average, 100 moving average. Until that happens, nothing is actually secured. But right now we are kind of in no man's land, so we are technically on the way down, but I'm bullish, but we are on the way down. I'm bullish about on the way down. Keep that in mind, guys, okay? Because I just feel that this dump is not actually being that severe, and it's just going too slow. It's kind of crabbing to the downside. There are no big moves that are actually happening here right now. So on the daily, technically we don't like that we are below the below the 10 moving average over here, or the below the moving averages. We are still below the 20 moving average on the 4 hourly, technically also falling through this support down here right now, trying to crab back above the support. On the 1 hourly we are below the moving averages, so technically right now we are just in a downtrend. We are going down, but there are small time frames, even the daily, but it's kind of hard to say that this is gonna go right now down. There are no big signs that it's gonna crash to a million or whatever. If it starts going down, it's gonna be a very slow move down until we start breaking these levels down here. Okay, so if right now we are crabbing towards the downside, but if you start breaking certain levels down here over these levels, then it's then we can have a big drop, but only after we start breaking these levels. But until we get down to these levels at 34,600, it's just gonna be a very slow, painful movement towards downside. If we start going down, this can also always turn around, but there is no imminent danger. That's what I'm trying to say. There is no imminent danger that we are going to go to the downside. On the 4 hourly, that this line should be somewhere around, I would say, because this level up here is almost there. We got few levels, so it depends on which level of these levels is gonna be the big kahuna that's actually gonna crack everything. So on the 4 hourly, so I think it's gonna be, it's a good chance it's gonna be 34,000 level, because it's a round number. It's a round number. It's close to the daily as well. No, it's not actually close to the daily. They are very far apart, but give or take. So basically we are just gonna crab downwards or sideways or something like that. There is technically not much happening today. It's just trying to figure out what's gonna happen. It has a lot of it has a lot of room to play with, right? We can go all the way up to the 20 moving average and nothing will happen, and all the way down here, right, 34,000. So it has a lot of room to play in. These are just trading areas. So until we actually get below certain levels up here and down there, like, it's basically nothing. Sorry guys, nothing is happening today. You can see also on the alts, like, something is red, something is green, like it's plus 0 point something, minus 0 point something. Also, a word of advice for everybody out there: don't let anybody make your own coffee, because when they make the coffee is not the same. It just tastes different. I don't know why I let my wife make my coffee today. Anyways, guys, any questions? Can you please show how to get the support level to display? I'm not quite sure what you mean by that. Hard to predict at the moment. One bit of good news could invalidate everything. Also, bad news and more FUD could do the same to the downside. I don't know. I think good news might actually pump the price, but bad news, I don't think that can actually push the price down. I missed your intro. Can you please do it again? So funny. I'll do it at the end. Dude, the only person on YouTube who uses full screen trading view. It's zoomed in. Like everything else beside what's on screen right now, it doesn't matter. So why would I show that? What do we do if we are in a loss? Hodl or swing trade? Whatever you do, man, you have to figure out your trading. You cannot just rely on other people. Best platform for staking, no clue about staking. Arg. What you reckon, honestly? Drop to 30k? No, I don't think we can drop to 13k. I think we're gonna go up. I think this is some kind of, you know, last move to the upside. But that's what I think. That it's a gut feeling, it's assumption. You know, we can in taking us there is also probability. I think there is a bigger probability to the upside than to the downside, but there is a probability to the downside as well. But I think the probability is to the upside, unfortunately. Maybe we are forming a little 1 hour triangle. Starting after the drop from the triangle, and let's see that is there anything. So over here, little triangle after the drop. Yeah, there's definitely some kind of pattern, but we can zoom in even more and see the pattern over here. I would rather say it's a falling wedge over here than anything else, maybe. So maybe it's a you know, falling wedge and it breaks to the upside. Maybe. The 3 and 6 monthly candlesticks charts give some predictive in guessing the next probable direction of Bitcoin. 3 and 6 monthly. Yeah, they do. I use sometimes 4 hourly. Sorry, 4 monthly. See, this is a 4 months chart. It's very nice. You can pop some moving averages on that as well. But you know, if you're a long-term hodler, you just buy on the white line. Long-term hodlers just buy on the one line of 4 hour chart. Good morning, late to the stream. Gotta watch it back. Yeah, that's the way. There's not much to watch actually. Nothing is happening. You're just going sideways, man. Just going a little bit sideways, a little bit down, a little bit up. You know, it's just getting ready, Are you tired or depressed? Tired. I'm very, very tired, man. I'm very tired. I don't like waking up this this early on a Sunday, you know, so I'm very tired. I'm not tired, I just woke up. I need a time to wake up. Hope you are fine. I am very fine, thank you. Are your thoughts on downward channel? We are mid channel at the moment. Can we drop to the bottom of the channel? Yeah, there is technically we are in a channel right now, and the channel, it looks like a channel because, you know, we've been drawing like a triangle, we've been drawing like this, like that, and the more we look at it, like you know, it might be some kind of channel. It doesn't something like this over here, or maybe up here. How was it? Yeah, something like this. Maybe some kind of channel, right? So we are in the middle of channel, but I'm saying, like, I don't think we can. I don't think we are gonna go down here. We can go down there. Technically, we can. It's just my gut feeling that says that we're gonna go up and not down. Down, back down to 31k or 30 something. Going down to 30k, you know, is gonna take a while. But you know, can we go down? Sure, we can. Sure, technically we can go down, but I think we're gonna go up. And it doesn't actually look good because we are below the moving averages. We are below the moving averages on the 4 hourly. We are below the moving averages on 1 hourly. So technically we should go down, but I think we're gonna go up. I don't know. I think it's just you know, hunch, a gut feeling. That's probably something that my mind is seeing, but I'm not seeing. This coin can have the same hairstyle and beard like yours. I don't know. I've never seen him. I've never seen him. We can go down, but we can also go up. Good analysis. Well, that's how the tech analysis work. You can go down, you can go up. There's a probability for this way, there's a probability for that way, and then you do the risk analysis, you know, risk management, and you pick a side. If there was some certain way that, you know, this could actually go, if you break 40k, we can then have a sign of relief. I think we're gonna, as soon as we break this level, guys, as soon as we break this level here at, yeah, 39,200 or something like that, you know, everybody's gonna be super bullish. We can't go backwards. Yeah, that we can't go to. 80% chances we go sideways, 18% we go sideways, 2% we go up or go down. Good morning, bro. Anyways, guys, there isn't much happening today, unfortunately. It maybe look like much is happening, because this might soon start getting crushed slowly down. But I think it's just gonna. I think it's gonna take a while. Also, this looks like some kind of you know, this is a one hourly triangle. Let's put it like this over here. So there's one hourly triangle that we just broke. We broke the downside. Right now we're getting a retest, so this retest can actually also push us further down, right? So we want to get back above the triangle over here to the upside, but can we go a little bit more down? Yes, we can. Will we go a little bit down? There is probability for that. But what, you know, looking at the longer term and stuff like that, we are some kind of very oversold levels. We are waiting for the next week. We are waiting to break to the upside eventually and stuff like that, you know. But this can also start pushing us down. So tonight and tomorrow, you know, we're gonna have we're gonna be a little bit more bearish or bullish depending on what's gonna happen. But right now it's really hard to call. It's really hard to trade this because you're not quite sure what's gonna happen. Anyways, guys, that's it. Nice and short and sweet Bitcoin analysis, daily analysis. Tomorrow 9:30 Central European time, as always. So do make sure to check that out. I'm gonna go and, you know, finish my coffee or make a better coffee than this one, and then do some videos. And then later today we might also have some kind of live stream as well. Depends. Anyways, guys, thanks for joining. See you around. It's better to buy bitcoins or altcoins at this time. Everything is shady right now. Okay, guys, cheers. Let's do the intro, because that one guy wanted the intro. So goodbye, everybody. Where's my stop button?